Hello, fellow guys. Good morning. It is Sunday here in Samoa, so I'd like to welcome you guys on our usual Sunday cooking episode. Special welcome to our Eyeing members. Remember, guys, we do have membership, so if you're keen to help us on the channel, join our Eyeing membership for only $4.99 US a month. We're gonna get started. I've got a lot to cook today, so we're starting on the omu, and then after that, I'll quickly jump straight to our usual cooking afterwards. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and I'll see you guys soon.
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. The best thing that I'll ever know.
Oui, il a fait aller
Rainy days don't seem so wet. Stormy nights don't stay. From the moment that we met, you were worth the wait. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Talk for hours and never slept. Two silhouettes on the concrete steps. We watched the sun as it slowly crept from the horizon to the place we met. Oh, this could be the best thing that I'll ever know. Best thing that I'll ever know. Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for. As we go, I'll keep running till I can't no more. You'll always be the one I want at midnight. You'll always steal my breath away. Yeah. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.
Alright guys, so umu is now on. We're just gonna begin cooking. Got steak, fish, mamoy. 3 proteins, 3 dishes, 2.5 hours. Let's go. Alright guys, so things just got a little bit hectic. Church finished, food's not ready. Probably another 30 minutes to an hour, but we're trying our best. Got Uncle Loy on the steak. Then I need to stir fry is almost ready. Fry some eggs, mashed potato for the kids, and then I've got the fish left, so pretty full on at the moment. Fingers crossed. Guys, so just finally had time to sit down. It's 12:15, really late on the food, but just the fish left, and then now I'll show you guys the results. So tired. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the end. If you made it this far, thank you for watching guys, really appreciate it. But now I'm going to show you the results. We don't have everything on the plate because people are eating now, and I've still got the fish on the stove, so I'm going to show you what we have at the moment. Starting on this side, we got the mamoy, roast mamoy, yeah. And we've got the egg. The steak is not here. No, don't know why, but we'll find out later. Anyway, we've got the stir-fry mamoy, got our taro, luau, and green salad. Jeez Louise, so good. Just turn on the flashlight there for you guys so you guys can see properly. I know everyone's hungry, but me too as well, so I'm just gonna quickly get through this so I can eat. So good. Alright guys, so if you have enjoyed it, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna sign off now because I need to eat. I'm so hungry, I'm so tired, so many things going on, and I need to sleep. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel guys, and be sure that if you're not part of our Ainga membership, get you that Ainga membership for only $4.99 US, guys, so you can help me make better content. But in the meantime guys, we'll catch you on our next episode. Until then, God bless, take care, stay safe.